Right. Good morning, everyone. So what we are discussing last class? So I requested you to find out compile time errors. Did you find? Yeah. So last class we are completing test cases, right? So compile time errors, runtime errors. Okay, we also learn one more point here. What is that? Compiler and JVM activities. Okay, compile time and runtime errors we completed. Right. Still, I need to explain you some points. Okay, let me continue yesterday class. So yesterday, because of time problem, I stopped class early. How to open Notepad to compile this program? Command prompt, start, CMD. Okay. Then next what you need to do? Change, drive. Speed the gitch fan. The gitch. D drive. Today is your first class, sir. Krishna Patil. Who gave you this class link here? Demo class, sir? Already paid. Paid. Are you from IT background? Do you know Java? Three-bit. Okay, then attend today class and end of the class ping me. I will talk to you. Okay, now look at here. So now D:. Right, then I have to do change to CD, the folder. What is your folder? CJ, Java basic. Then you type Java C, example.java. Then you type Java first program, run. This is what we are doing. So this is a lengthy process. There is a shortcut. Don't open command prompt directly. Open your folder where you save your files. And in this address bar, here you type CMD. Command prompt is open with what path? Java basic. Your current directory path, it will open. Okay, so directly we can compile and execute from here. Java C and Java first program. So changing the path, changing directory, Jamana gone. Okay, fine. Next, try to answer. So I want to continue with some more compile time errors, runtime errors. Nothing but working with main method. Yesterday, we have learned few cases. What is that? Semicolon remove, what happened? Double quotes remove, what happened? First double quote remove, what happened? Both double quotes you remove, what happened? Small s you write, what happened? Capital O you write, what happened? Capital P you write, what happened? You remember? Right. Tell me, here system is what? System is a package. Class. Okay. First compiler search system as a package. If not found, then search for what? Class. Then system found as a class. If I write small s, it is not find as a system as a class, not as a package, not as a class, not as a variable. Then finally throwing error, cannot find its symbol as a package. So why it is throwing as a package? Because before dot, the first member will be always what? Package. Okay, na, either package or class or variable, first priority will be package. Then next, now I am writing what here? Out capital letter I am writing. So if you write out capital letter, then it is considered as what? Variable. Now the variable with the capital O not there, so throw in error. Now if you take capital P println will be considered as method because it ends with parenthesis, right? Then next. Now next point we started understanding about main method. Then tell me, public is a keyword? Yes. Static, is it a keyword? Yes. Void, is it a keyword? Yes. Void is also a keyword. So all these three are what? Keywords. You must write all these keywords in lower case. Class is also keyword. Class, class, public, static, void. All these four words are what? Keywords. They have to type in only small letters. If you write capital letter, compiler will throw error. Next. Now main is a keyword and name. Name. First program, main and args are what? Names. And these names are technically called identifiers. Okay. Yesterday we have completed up to here. Are you ready for next points? And there are some important points are there for understanding today and next coming classes. Okay. Right. Hope all the people are here. So now listen. Point number 1. Tomorrow no holiday. Understand? Tomorrow, no holiday. We have class. Any objection? Objection overruled. Second, same time, 9 a.m. Okay, na? But as online. Okay, na? No offline class. Don't come to classroom. Okay? All people have internet access to your mobiles, no? Tomorrow, 9 to 11 will be what? You are using your Jio internet or Airtel internet for that dirty videos watching, na? Right? YouTube videos, Instagram videos. That data tomorrow you are using for attending our class. That's it. Okay, na? And next, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, also online class. Okay, na? I am out of station. I am taking class from my hometown. Understand? Right. So on personal work, I am going to hometown. So from there, I will take the class. You have to come to the class online only. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, also online class. Offline students, understanding her? This notice for not online students, for you. Online students, they will join from there. Okay? For you. Don't come to classroom and don't cry here. Where is Harikrishna sir? Okay? Right. He will be available online. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you are attending classes online. Okay. Next. 6th point. The Zoom link for attending next 4 days classes. Wrote down. Items, meeting ID and passcode. Next, offline class will be on Thursday. All the people make a note. How do you know how to join classes online? Don't know now. Hey, last 2 years you are joining online only, na? Right? Right. So please try to support me. Don't get angry. Okay? Right. And now look at here. Kumar, did you join today class? Today is the first class. Huh? Here, Kumar. Beautiful question he asked. What is CJ? What is JB? No? Did you come yesterday? Did you attend class yesterday? Then are you in sleeping mode? Deep sleeping or normal sleeping? You forgot. You didn't practice yesterday program? This not happened yesterday, day before yesterday, 2 days back. Practiced. However you want, you practiced. Okay, remember them. When a time comes, I will tell you again. Now tell me, sir. So here observe, I am doing some changes. Look at here. 1 hour you practiced, but you practice however you like. Number 1, Gajani fellow. CJ, Core Java, JB, Java Basics. Now look at here. When I save the file in C drive, it is not compiling. Why? How do I know? Khalil, if you save your file in C drive, if not compiling, how do I know? What you are doing, where you are saying, share the screenshot so that I can know. Okay? Why I am getting stomach pain and what I can say? What food you eat, you have to tell, right? Now come sir. Here, look at here. This square bracket I am placing before arcs. Is it allowed? Is it allowed or not? Yes. Let us try to compile. Java C example.java. Compile or not? Yes. That means square bracket placing before arcs, is it a syntactically correct? Yes. Then now I am executing Java first program. Tell me, is it executed or not? Always remember, just compiling is not sufficient. You should also execute to confirm is there any runtime error. Java first program. Is it executed? Yes. This is whose syntax? Main method. Is main method can accept the square bracket placing before arcs or not? You have to check. Yes. So, what did you understand? We can place a square bracket after string before arcs. Achha, okay. Now I am placing after arcs. If I place after arcs, is it allowed? Just see now. Java C example.java. Compile. Java first program. Come on. Executed or not executed? Executed. Achha. So I can place square bracket after arcs also. What is our target? What is the target since yesterday? Do experiments until you get error. If error is not coming, that means you didn't learn anything. Yes or no? What is our learning point? Error. As many more errors you got, that many more points we learn, that much easily we can pass our written test exam. That is our target. Now error should come. Let me place here. Arcs before or after allowed. Let us also see string before or after both the places allowed or not. I need to check. So tell me, square bracket I am placing before string. Is it allowed or not allowed? Come on, allowed or not allowed? Definitely you should have a common sense. It must not be allowed. But I want to see what is the error coming. What the error compiler throwing, I want to check. Java, C example.java. What is the error coming? Read. Illegal start of type. Illegal start of type. 1 second here. Now tell me, illegal start of type. Now tell me now, here string array, before string I am placing what square bracket here. Now compiler throwing error what? Type. I told you yesterday, from the compile time errors, you can learn lot of technical subject. Yesterday we learned what? Unclosed, string literal. Now actually we thought of HK programming world is the string literal, but it is not string literal. Double quotes starting and end point is called what? String literal. Similarly, you are also having one more knowledge point here. Illegal start of type. Okay. In the main method parenthesis here, anything you write, it is considered as what? It is considered as what? Come on. After square bracket, after method square bracket, anything you write here, it is considered as what? Type. Common sense, apply common sense. Come on, involve. Anything we write after method name parenthesis, it is considered as what? Type. Then try to answer. What is the meaning of type? Type is nothing but data type. What the type? Data type. What compiler is asking? Array, after parenthesis, here you must write legal type. Okay, now you are writing what? Illegal type, but you should write what? Legal type. So what are the different legal types available in Java? First type is what? Int. And second one is double. Another is char. Another is boolean. Another is what? String. Did you notice? These four are starts with capital letters or small letters? Small letters. Int, double, char, boolean, all are what? Small letters. And string S is what? Capital letter. Why capital letter? I will tell you later. At this minute, remember. Like this, we have some other types also there. As of now, you just remember these 5 types is sufficient. So what all these 5 types are called? They're called types or what? Data types. So tell me, as after string, after parenthesis inside method, what you are allowed to place here? Legal data type. Okay. Now, if you start anything with a square bracket, that is legal or illegal? Illegal. So, do you understand this point now? Right. Now, let me try to go back to here. Now, I am placing square bracket. Okay. I am placing square bracket after string here as usual. Save it. Now, go back to command prompt. Go back to command, go back here and place square bracket, save it, come here and clear screen, compile. Is it compiled now successfully? Yes. Is it executed now successfully? Yes. You are getting output, HK programming. Okay. Now I want to ask one question. You know, always you have to do experiment from the compile time error also. Now in place of string, I am writing legal type called what? Int. Is it allowed or not allowed? Everyone should answer. Only few people are telling. Allowed or not allowed? Don't tell inside. Interviewer, when asked the question, you have to tell outside. Don't feel it is a classroom, feel it is a interview room. I am the interviewer, you are a candidate, came for the job. Then tell me. Now Java, see example.java. Is it compiled or not? Tell me. As per a compiler, what should I place here? Legal type. Int is a legal type? Yes. Then compiled or not? Yes. Common sense. You know, if you do this analyzation, answering any question will be easy. But is it executed? JVM required main method with int type or string type? String type. JVM will throw error. But there are main method not found in the class. First program, please define main method as public static void main. So what did you understand? When you are planning to create method, the main method prototype means the head part of the method is called what? Prototype. So the prototype must be public static void main of, what do you write? String array args. Okay. Now I am placing string here back. Okay. Then what I am doing, this is square bracket, I am removing. Okay, na? If I remove square bracket, is it allowed or not? Let's see now. Compile it. Wow. Compile, yeah? Oh. And then now tell me square bracket syntactically mandatory, optional? Optional. If you want, try, otherwise leave it. Okay. Then will JVM allow? Everyone. Will JVM allow? No. JVM required what? Square bracket. Now it is throwing error. Main method not found in the class first program. Please define main method as. Okay. So square bracket is required. Next question I'm asking. Now I am removing this Parameter. What we call this entire thing as what? Parameter. Now this is called data type and it is called what? Variable name. So it's nothing but variable declaration. What we call? Variable declaration. If you declare a variable in the method parenthesis, then we call it as what? Parameter. So if I remove the parameter here, syntactically parameter, is it optional or mandatory? It is optional. So if you don't define any parameter here, compiler doesn't have any objection. But what about to JVM? You not define the parameter to whom now? Main method. Is main method accept the method without parameter? No. It will throw error. What error? Main method is not found in the class first program. Please define main method as like that. Okay, so tell me now, parameter is mandatory for whom now? JVM. So all people tell me, is public, syntactically allowed or not? I mean, syntactically mandatory or optional? Optional. For JVM, mandatory. Static, compiler optional, JVM, mandatory. Void, mandatory. Main method name, mandatory. String array args, for compilation optional, for JVM, mandatory. Now the square bracket, allowed after string, allowed before args, allowed after args, but not allowed before string. Compiler throw error. This entire parameter is mandatory for execution, but optional for compilation. Everyone understand? Right. So these are the points yesterday I have missed. Now, let me take here in place of args, I am writing my name, Hari. Is it allowed? Allowed or not allowed? Must be allowed. Why? Why? It is my name. Look at that. Allowed or not? Yes. It is my name. JVM is my friend, no? Right. 17 years we are having friendship. So compiler also accept and then what? JVM also accepted. No problem to the compiler and JVM. Oh, only Hari allowed. Let me try with my friend Balaya. Okay, na? Then clear screen. Compile or not? Let's see now. Hey, compile, yeah? Wow. Hari is allowed. Hari friend is also allowed. Okay, let me try my another friend Pawan Kalyan PK. Okay, and then clear screen. Compile or not? Compile. Are compiler knows Hari Krishna, Balakrishna, Pawan Krishna? No. Right, what the meaning of it? Here the meaning is variable name. Here you can write any name you wish. Args is not mandatory. Anything you can write. ABC also you can write. Compile and execute it. Just it is a name. But why the name is args? Args is nothing but inputs. Arguments. Args full form is what? Argument. So this main method execution purpose, some inputs are required to represent that inputs. The shortcut name what they are taking? Args. That's it. So hope you understand the fuller syntax. What is mandatory? What is optional in the main method? Right. So public static are optional to the compiler. Void main mandatory for compiler. String array args is optional to compiler and mandatory to JVM. So these are the complete details about the program compilation and execution. Is it clear to all? Right. Where you can find all these points in the material, you have to open. Hope you remember you have drive. Material drive. All people are having material drive access. Right. Here you open Core Java books by Hari Krishna. There you go to volume 1A textbook. Not Xerox material. Volume 1A textbook. And if you scroll down. Yeah. So this is the Hello World program development page number 42. Okay, na Java programming started from page number 42. So what is mandatory? Basic programming element. Class is mandatory because it allows us to define. Okay, na methods with logic. Why does a class Java program starts with a class? Essential statements of Java program. Software is required to develop a Java program. Procedure to develop a Java program. Create a folder to store all Java files and then open Notepad, type this program, save in this folder, and then you will find example.java file like this, and then compilation and execution procedure. So compilation, this command prompt window, how to open, and then how to compile, background.class file created, how to execute. Okay, all these points you written clearly now. Then next, compiler activity, JVM activity is main method mandatory for compilation or execution. Next, what does the compiler do if the given Java file not found? What does JVM do if the given .class file is not found? Then I have shown the errors here. Compilation and runtime errors. All these points we clearly discussed in last class. Then testing. Whenever you are working on any project, you should first work on not development. You should first work on testing, right? So to get command over compilation execution process, execute below test cases. In above program, remove semicolon. Then what is the error will come. As you can notice, compiler is clearly showing the committed mistake. It displays the error we committed, line number, the place where we should keep semicolon to resolve this error. Tell me, this much clear information is giving by compiler software to you. Then can you solve the errors by your own? Yes. Then Java is very easy, right? Yes or no? Anybody say Java is very tough, slap them, ask them to join HK class. Problem solved. Right. Now try to test some more cases. I written only 11 cases. I want you write some more cases. Remove class name, then compile. Remove method name, then compile. Change capital S to small s. Change args to hurry. Remove string array args. Remove while. Remove static. Remove public. Remove main method definition completely. Finally, remove class definition completely. Few cases I have written here. I want you to work out for 30 cases I told. If you work, you will be benefited. Okay, you are wasting your time like in academics and again you are just time passing here, then no one can change your life. Find out valid main method declarations from the below list. Can you please work out now? All the people try to tell. Just now we completed main method, which is right, which is wrong. You must tell compile time error, runtime error, both. For example, inside method, inside the class, I have written this main method. Then is the program compiled? Yes. Is it executed? Yes. Next, second one. Yes. Executed? Yes. Square bracket I placed before args. Third one, compile, executed. Fourth, no means what? Compile time error. Can I write it as a CE? Next. Hurry I place, compile and also executed. Next. Sixth one. What I placed here? Static, public. I can place static and public in any order. Static first public or public first and static. Static and public are called modifiers. What they're called? Modifiers you can place in any order, no problem. But recommended order is what? Public, static. Next. Public static void main. Hey. There is something called what? 3 dots. In place of square bracket, what I have placed there? 3 dots. Is it allowed? Allowed. From Java 5 version onwards, you can place a square bracket or you can place what? 3 dots. How many dots? 3 dots only. If you place less than 3 dots means 2 dots or 1 dot, or if you place more than 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots, it is a syntax error. Only 3 dots are allowed. Sir, only why 3 dots, sir? Wonderful calculation doing by Amirpet people. First square bracket, first dot. This space is what? Second dot. This last square bracket is what? Third dot. Wow, wonderful. Actually, this is what? Array representation. Array means what? Multiple values, means 0 to n number of values we can store. Tell me, etc. How to represent 0 to n number of values? 0, 2. 2 represented by how many dots? 3 dots. We will write 0 to n number. That n number, infinity, etc. How you write etc? etc. With what? 3 dots na? Regular writing notation here. Now that 3 dots only they are placing here. That's it. Is it clear my point? Last 3 people, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? PDF. Then who will see this explanation? In PDF, this explanation there. Did I ask you open PDF? Then why you are open PDF in the class and see? Huh? Not visible. Then why you are sitting last chair? If you have eyesight problem, why are you sitting last chair? I gave the sufficient zoom. This font is sufficient to see last chair. Understood? If you are not seeing what I am explaining here, then how can you understand by seeing that empty PDF? Concentrate on what I am explaining. Look at here. So now why 3 dots are placed here? Why 3 dots notation? It represents what? Etc. So the etc 0 to n number of values, the 3 dots will be placed here. Clear my point? Okay, nice. Now again repeating. So from Java 5 version onwards, am I allowed to place 3 dots in place of square bracket? Yes. Okay. You test in your system. I'm not showing in my system. Next, tell me. Here, in place of void, I am placing int. Is it allowed? What is int? Data type. In place of void, data type is allowed. To whom? Compiler. But not JVM. It lists what? Runtime error. Okay. Then next come 9th point. Public static void when string array args. Tell me, is it allowed? Where is the problem? This is not main. It is what? Main. Okay. Mining main. Okay. Now people will not read the spelling. Generally our eyesight is having a problem. When multi-characters word is there, multiple characters word is there, we'll read first 2 to 3 words and remaining spelling we will visualize. Okay, na? When short 3-4 letters word, if you see, first letter, last letter only we will read, and remaining letters we will visualize, we will feel. Babu, it is very important. In Java, every word spelling is very important. If you visualize your own spelling and if you feel that that spelling is correct, then you'll get wrong mark. So it leads to what? Compile time error or runtime error? Does compiler know spelling? No. Compiler know only what? Syntax. Then who knows the spelling? JVM. JVM knows. There is no compile time error. Compiled successfully, but we'll get what? Runtime error. JVM required main method with what spelling? MAIN. But compiler can accept any name, no problem. Okay, M1, M2, ABCD, anything you will accept. Next. Now 11th, 10th one, tell me. Public static void main of string. There is something called what? 5. In a C language, when you create array, we will mention size there. But in Java, if you mention size, that is a wrong syntax. Syntax error. In Java, you are not allowed to mention the size in the variable creation place. If you try, compiler will throw error. The next, 11th one, allowed or not allowed? Allowed to the compiler, but not allowed to JVM. Next, 12th one, allowed to compiler, but not allowed to JVM. 13th one, allowed to compiler, not allowed to JVM. Next, 14th one, allowed to compiler, not allowed to JVM. Allowed to compiler, not allowed to JVM. Finally, both public static I removed. Allowed to compiler, not allowed to JVM. Everyone understand? Right. So these points are very, very important. Compulsory, you will see this written test question in the exam. Identify valid main method declaration. Which main method leads to compile time error? Sometimes questions will ask what? Compile time error. Which method declaration leads to compile time error? Which main method declaration leads to what? Runtime error. Listen check the question properly and then choose answer. Okay, main method sometimes leads to compile time error, sometimes leads to what? Runtime error. Don't confuse. Okay, what question they have asked, carefully observe and choose the options. So hope you are now confident about main method syntax. Right. So this is the basic idea about how to work with main method. What the page number? 44 to 46. Yesterday, today class, volume 1 year textbook, page number 44, 46. Long. You should use long. Okay. So now, yesterday discussion, continuation to compile time errors and runtime errors. The pending topic I have complete. Right. Any confusions? Shall I proceed to next points? Right. The next interesting topic. Yeah, basic JVM architecture not required now. Let us will see that. Let's not waste time. More practice examples. Are you ready to develop programs? Want to copy a developer? Really? Wow. Let us try. Ready. Program number 2. Already program number 1 completed. Sort out it about error. Geeta, what error? Why you people are asking questions in the class? I didn't understand. I shared the Telegram group. Why you are not asking questions there? Why you want to waste time in the class? When you face a problem, why you are not posting your questions, problems in the group? Geeta, do you have common sense? Seriously, I am asking. Do you have common sense? If you answer my question, then I'll answer to your question. First reply. Wait. Deva, that's fine. Why you are replying? You don't have common sense. Geeta, I asked a question. Do you have common sense? Yes, very good. Then, what is the way of typing the program? Using your brain, using the notes? First you have to type the program, first you have to learn the commands and program. Fast reply, don't waste time. Did you learn? Hey, other people don't reply. Mohit, why you are reply? Learning. Without learning, why did you type the program in system? What did I say yesterday? First you learn, then go to system for typing, not for learning. What is the command for compilation? What is the command to compilation? Full syntax. Other students don't reply. Fast. Java C, just if you type Java C program compiler. Other students don't reply. I said, I'm talking to Geeta. Ahmad, are you Geeta? What is this, Geeta? And you are asking me to solve this error. Do you feel I am your servant? What is this command? Whatever you want to type, if you type, then if you ask the questions, how can I answer? Other students in the class? Why I should correct you, Geeta? That's what my question. Why should I correct you? What is there here to correct? You didn't learn. You are using your dirty brain. Stop using it. Don't use your brain. Without using brain, first you go to notes, read the commands, then learn. Then come to the system to type. What is this command? What you want to do? You want to compile or you want to execute? Compile. What is the extension to compile? Then why did you write it at class? Now you say, oh, okay, sir, now understood. Write down program. Develop a program to print your name on console. Develop a program to print your name on console. Guys, I told you very clearly, if you don't follow me, you will face problem and you will waste my time. First, you don't directly go to system to type whatever you want. First, you practice the program. Means first you write the program, notes, everything by your hand. Then go to system to verify. Don't learn by using system. Everyone, what are you doing? What are you doing? Written question and then get ready for listening. Yes, sir? I asked develop a program. What the meaning of it? Listen. Did I write there listen a program? Come on, brother. I said develop a program. What the meaning of it? Why you sit silently? Develop, right? Don't know how to write? You know or don't know? And then start, right? Yes, no? Infosys. What the meaning of develop a program? Class name, main method. Right? Class name, main method is program. What operation I'm asking you to do in this program? Display your name. How to display any content? System.out.println. What you want to display? Name. Yesterday what you displayed? HK programming world. What should display now? Your name. That's it. Completed? Then next what to do? After typing program, what should you do? Compile. Did I do compile? Compile. How to compile? There is no system, sir. First fellows. Yesterday, last week I installed JDK software. Where? In your brain. Now you are learning JDK software installed in your system or in your brain. Use your JDK software there in your brain. Wonderful. Sabash. What did you tell you? How to compile? Java C. Write down the commands there. Java C. What is the command? Java C space file name dot java. Then what it will give? Dot class file. Write on that arrow mark down the class name dot class. How it will give? Directly, yeah? What the compiler activities? Did you verify like a compiler? Last class what I told you? Start thinking like a compiler. What is the meaning of starting thinking like a compiler? When you type Java C file name, then what compiler will do? Compiler will go to the Java file first line. Then verify first line. Right syntax is there or not? Verify. Check once. Have you written right syntax or not? Now, while writing program, you are a developer. Then while compiling, you should think like a, again, compiler. Play Aparajit role. Rama, Remo, Aparajit. You know na? Who is Rama? Innocent person, programmer. Okay na? Whatever you want, you write. No problem. Then Remo coming into picture. Lover boy, right? Who is the lover boy? Compiler. Compiler going, checking that is right, this is right, checking, and then finally it is a suggesting you, hey, don't do that, don't do this. Okay. Then dangerous fellow coming. Who? JVM. JVM said, where is main method? If main method is not there, Garuda program. So what is that book name? Garuda program will apply and punish you by throwing different runtime errors, right? So think like that. Think like a compiler and JVM. Now tell me what I should do now. Open command prompt. Sorry, notepad. So you have to feel all the points. Okay, I open notepad. Don't see notes as a notes. Try to see your notes as your system. Feel. I open notepad. In notepad, what should I type? Program. How to type a program? Class. First, what is the name of the class? Come on, everyone should answer. What is the name? What is the first program name? First program. Second program name? Third program name? Oh, wonderful. Now, here onwards, you have to create one thought in your mind. Listen, the name of the class must convey the operation performing by your program. What operation your program is doing? Printing. What it is printing? Name. So, what the name of the class? Name printing. Hey, 1 minute. Printing is a noun or verb? English. You are learning not Java English, right? Names are from English, vocabulary from Java. And tell me, printing is a verb, noun. Class representing object, right? Class is representing object. Object name must be a verb, a noun. Answer English, worst fellows. Okay, what? Object name must be what? Noun. Tell me, is this name representing verb, noun? Verb. So should convert to noun. Tell me, teaching. Noun form? Teacher. Teach is also now verb. Teach you, teaching, verb. So who is teaching? Teacher. Listen. Listen. I am asking you. Listen. Who will listen? Listener. Now speak. Speaker. Project. Printer. Wow. Okay. So now what the class name must be? Name printer. Whose name? My name. My name or your name, Pakno name, right? So what the simple name? Name printer. Do you understand? Right? How to choose the class name? The name of the class must be a noun. Next. Now open bracket, closed bracket. Change your class name. I know you have taken worst name, I know. Hey, understand what I told? What is your class name? And then change the class name to correct name. In your notes, correct it. Change your class name to this name. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं? पूरा प्रोग्राम नहीं लिखना. Already you have written program, no? In your program, your class name strike out and write this name. A name लिखो. Okay. Babu, evening 4 o'clock, spoken English course is starting in Naresh IT. Please join. English is very important, okay? My small Bhuj English you are not understanding and Gaya. Last batch, Naresh IT has taken feedback. one student has written feedback. Hare Krishna sir, English is very high level. Wow, that day I was, celebrating like anything. Fully bought it. Yeah. So my English, you are feeling high level and like dance, one step I did, okay? Okay. Okay, come. Then inside this class, what you write? Public static void main of string array args. Open bracket, closed bracket. Inside this method, what I should write? Println, double quotes, name Hari Krishna. That's it. Tell me, what is my intention of giving this a second program? 2 points I want to cover. Number one, writing second program, third program, fourth program is a copy paste of first program only. Yes or no? If you have practiced first program, second program, third program onwards will become what? Easy. Slowly mind say, already I know. My target is you should get bored. Already understood. Go to next topic. That feeling I should create. Are you catching my point? Until that feeling not created, I will not go to the next topic. Okay? Yes or no? So I should make you experienced on that particular concept so that in the written test exam or in the next coming topics, the program will become easy to you. Point number one, I should create a feeling. First project development is difficult, but second project onward, just copy paste of first project. I should be more focused on only first project. Second point I want to cover in this program, that is how to choose the name of the class. Should not be second program, third program, or should not be my name, my lover name. No. Okay. The name should be refer the operation we are performing in this program in the noun form you have to choose. That's it. So these are the 2 points I want to cover. Third point I want to cover, after writing program, you should not sit silently feeling that, yes, my job completed. If you sit silently and feeling my job completed, who are you? A programmer. But what is our course? Becoming a programmer or becoming compiler JVM? Core Java with compiler and JVM architectures. Then immediately you should start writing. Yes. Now down you should write what? Save above program with the name. What the name? Last program we have learned Java file name and class name can be different. Then if you say with a different name, compilation time I should use a file name. At compilation time, compiler generates the .class file with class name. Then execution time I must use class name. So the confusion already cleared. Now onwards we will say with what? Same Java file name. What is the same Java file name? Name printer, same class name, Java file name we will maintain same. Name printer.java. So this is the first you have to write. So by this time you have become as what? Java developer. So program writing skills you acquire. Then next what you have to think now? Like a compiler. Compiler thoughts and JVM thoughts you have to get now into your mind. Then now I am compiling. Now where you save this program? In the project directory. What the project directory? D drive, core Java, Java basic. Then now open command prompt. Now onwards command prompt you are represented by what? Arrow mark. Arrow mark, or if you want more clarity you can write what? CMD, arrow mark. Then I want to compile. How to compile? Java C, name printer dot Java. Listen carefully. Here onwards, whatever the way I am asking you to practice, the same way you have to practice. Otherwise, you will face lot of difficulties in the coming class. Because today, whatever the flow I told you, I will start feeling that you are started following that flow. From tomorrow onwards, I will follow that flow. You will be in a different flow. I will be in a different flow. Finally, Java will be in different flow. So you have to come into my flow. Change your attitude. Do you have two hands? Hey, really? Wow. Now, right hand for writing. Okay, na? Left hand is for tracking the flow of execution. Understood my point? You have to move your left hand index finger on the lines where the compiler running, where JVM is running. Okay, na? Right. Currently, you are using your left hand for holding your book, no? Stop doing that. Okay. Now move your left hand also into the book. What you do? Right hand for writing. I written the command. Java C name printer.java. Listen, look at all you people here. Online students, you also looking at me, na? Now. So Java C name printer.java I have written. Then your left hand should be, right hand should be in the same line only. Now your left hand should move. Compiler. Java C is what? Compiler. Compiler. Now we ask the compiler to compile name printer.java. Then compiler software going to where? Name printer.java first line. Are you catching my point? Name printer Java go to first line. 1 minute, sir. Let me remove this fellow. Deva Dattu Swine. I am removing you from the batch. So talk to the admin. Okay, come. Anybody want the same question? Telegram link, drive link. So not listening the class, I will remove you from the class. Okay? Simple technique. Now all the people answer now. So now what I am writing here? Command from Java C name printer.java. After typing, your right hand should be in the same on the same line. Now your left hand should move. You should start speak with your mouth. What? Okay. I ask the compiler go and compile name printer.java. Then compiler software will go to name printer.java file first line. Your left hand should come to Java file first line. Came on? Then now you read that program. Did I type everything with the right syntax? Class is a keyword. All letters I have written small letters. Yes. Because you are a typist now. While writing program, you write however you want. Capital C, small c, everything. But as a compiler should start, speak again. All letters in class must be small letters. Written small letters? Yes. Then name printer. Name printer, it is a one word. Do you have any spaces written? No. Then as per convention, first word, first letter should be, every word first letter should be capital. Should I write name of printer capital letter? Yes. Then open bracket written the same line? Yes. Then go to next line. Now first line everything syntactically correct. Then go to next line. In the next line, what I written? Public, keyword, all letters small? Yes. Static, keyword, all letters small? Yes. Who is talking to whom? I am talking to you. Hey, I am playing your role here. Are you catching my point? I think some people are again listening. Wow, super explaining, sir. Yeah. I am playing your role here. Okay, you have to speak like a compiler. Compiler verifying all the statements you have written the program. You have to tell yourself. You have to speak yourself. Are you following? I'm just showing you how to work on the program at the time of compilation. When you type Java C name printer, you have to speak yourself. Who am I now? Compiler. Then compiler go to name printer.java file first line. Then compiler reading first word and asking itself all are small letters. Yes. Then reading next word. Any spaces? No. Oh, okay. Open bracket started. Yes. Then go to next line. Public, cap, keyword, all letters small, all letters small, all letters small. Main. Any name correctly written. Then bracket. Yes. String array args. Correct. Open bracket, closed bracket. Then system dot out. System class name. Yes. Must be capital letter there. Yes. Out. Printer small letters. Yes. Hare Krishna. Double quote should be there. Yes. Semicolon. Closed bracket. Closed bracket. Wow. Program written everything syntactically correct. Then now compiler software coming. Compiler software completes the compilation. Coming here and then generated. Which hand is working now? Which hand is working now? Right hand. Last batch, one student asked, sir, my writing is left hand, sir. Yeah, okay. Then left hand you write. With right hand you follow the flow. Okay, I am talking about other hand. Okay. Namaskara Swami. Okay. Now Java C following by what here? Night name printer dot class is generated. So hope you understand the flow how to work. So that program written by me only, sir. No, sir, I know correctly written. That's what I'm saying. Behave like a Aparajit. As a Rama, you written, completed. Now, next role, who should come? Rama, Remo should come. Remo is working like a compiler, going and verifying. Follow this practice and start see slowly how much difference of your analyzation skills day by day improve. Feel this program given by interviewer in the interview room asking what is the output. If you follow this practice in the class itself, feeling that program written by somebody in the written test exam given, even though you written, but still you are feeling it is given by someone, how to answer this question, then your mind automatically started reading each line in the program. Then you can easily find where is the compile timer in the program. You will not miss single word, single character also there, na? That's what the right way of practicing Java program to pass written test exam. Where you have to practice? In the system or in the notes itself? In the notes itself, you have to practice. Everything should be there in your brain. Then go to system only to verify your thought process is correct or not. Okay, na? Then compilation is over. Next step what? Hey, online students, what are you doing? Listening, huh? All the people are silent. Java following by, now you should ask, I wanted to execute what the command? Java following by file name or class name? Class name. With extension or without extension? Without extension. Now right hand job over. Next, what is coming into picture? Left hand. What the job of left hand? JVM. Yesterday I told them JVM activities. 4, 5 steps. We are asking JVM, go and execute name printer class bytecode. Then where name printer bytecode is available? Dot class. Then JVM searching for name printer dot class. Available or not? Yes, already we generated available. Then it is going into name printer dot class. Tell me, name printer dot class contain the source code only in a bytecode format. Again, you go where? Here only. Then JVM running from first line searching for the main method. Then JVM searching for main method. Yes, main method is available. Then main method available with any syntax allowed? No. Main method must be available with what syntax? Public, static, void, main of string array. Yes, with that syntax it is available. Then JVM confirmed. Okay, initial point of execution there. Then it will go inside, execute the message and display on the console. Execute the SOPL and display on the console the message output. What is coming? HK. Programming world. Hare Krishna. Everyone understand the flow? This is how you have to work on every program. Is it difficult? Some time you have to spend. Because you generally lazy, na? Only we will work what? Half. First beginning we will miss. End also we will miss. Between only we will always work. That's why you never fail fully. You never successfully. You will be always in the middle. That is called what? Above average. If you are completely poor, at least by begging you can live. If you are completely rich, you can enjoy your life. Always we will be stay in where? Middle class. These middle class people are always crying like anything because you cannot go down for begging. You cannot go upper caste for, stage for, earning more money. Always crying in the middle only. Come on. Either go down fully, means stop coming to the class and find some other course. Are you catching my point? Or like me, follow, come to the completely what? Higher levels for earning more salary, more money with more knowledge. Hope you will not show your laziness in the class. Okay? Did you understand my English? Yes. What I told? अभी तक मैं क्या बोला तुमको समझ में आया? Namaskar. Okay. Right. So now first program, all the people understand how to work out. Okay, I am commenting it. Commenting. What the meaning of comment, sir? If I don't comment it, if I leave it as it is, I am saving this program in our folder, D drive, Core Java, Java Basic, and here I am saving this program with what name? Name printer.java. Then open command prompt. How I told you open command prompt? Go to the folder where you save your Java file, Java Basic, and then demo the existing .class file. Here open command prompt. Then type what? Java C name printer.java. Now, I told you, move this command prompt down to see background folder, what is happening. .class file created or not created? It is throwing error. What? Error. Compiler software going into name printer.java, go here. Then reading first line correct, second line correct, third line correct, fourth line correct, fifth line correct, sixth line. Okay, who are you? Compiler is asking, who are you? I didn't understand. I can understand only class, interface, enum, or record. Who are you? I didn't understand. Who are you? I didn't understand. Okay. Then what to do? I should say compiler. This is a text for my sake I have written. Okay. You don't read. Ignore it. How can I say ignore it? By using a special syntax called what? Comment. Okay. Slash star. This is what? Begin. and this is what? End. So between whatever you write, compiler software ignore reading and compiling. Observe now, compile successfully. Background what is generated? Dot class file. And then now I want to execute Java name printer. And then what do you write now? Hare Krishna. Everyone understood? So think like a compiler and JVM. That is our tagline of our course. Okay, na? Don't just write a program. Also think like a compiler and JVM while writing the program, and also habituate running the commands. Shall I proceed to the next program? Any confusions, online students? Will you adopt my style of learning? Next, program number 3. Are you ready to develop or ready to copy? Third program also you are ready to copy means, you are a Bhagavan. Develop a program to print your name with stars as below. You are a star, na? Star, superstar. Hi everyone. Sachin, what do you want? Sachin, fast reply. What do you want? Fast reply, else I will remove you. I already ready with your name to remove here. One, two, Sachin Dongre. Ready na? Develop a program to print your name with stars as below. Now look at here. నీకు నచ్చిన ఎడిటర్ వాడుకురా స్వామి, ఎవడొద్దన్నాడు? నేను చెప్పాను, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్ యూ యూస్. This is the program I want you to develop. Khalil, why you want to save in C drive? Is there any reason? I have D drive, that's why I'm saving in D drive. You don't have D drive, don't save in D drive. Problem solved. In C drive where you are saving. In C drive directly or in the folders? Completed? What is my intention behind giving this program to you? 2 points. Point number 1. How many system.out.printlns I should write? 3 system.out.printlns. Okay. Kiran Kumar, why are you showing your talent? Did I ask here to use slash and anything else? Kiran Kumar, reply fast. Then why did you use the slash n? You are showing your programming talent. Answer to the question. Don't you people show your talent. Understand? You should understand what interviewer asked in the question. Okay. So if you are not implementing what interviewer expecting, they will not get job. You may feel that, sir, I performed well according to your wish, but not according to interviewer wish. In this question, interviewer not ask you to use a slash n. His intention is to use what? 3 SOPLNs. Okay. Second point I will tell you. Definitely all people might have committed mistake. I won't reveal. Now, first you answer this. How did you write the code? Class. Are you carrying the previous program explained points? What the second program target? Choosing the correct name. What the name? What are you doing in this program? I want to print name with stars. Then what the name of the class must be? Name printer with stars. Noun form should come, not a verb form. Then inside we need to find public, static, void, main of, string array, args. Inside main method, what you develop? System.out.println. How many printlns I should write now? 3. 3 printlns. Tell me now. Inside this println, first what should I display? Stars. Star, star, star. Then next what I write? Star, Hari, Krishna, star. Okay, wonderful. And then next what you write? Double quotes, star, 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 star. Save it. Go to, sorry. First I have to say with what name? Same name. Name printer with stars. Okay, na? All the people written, na? Really? Did you compile this program? Did you compile this program? Have you run the program as I explained earlier? What? With left hand, right hand? Did you move? Java. Did you write Java C name printer.java? Compiler going here, verifying the class lowercase, name correct, open bracket correct, main method correct. Now first SOPLN, second SOPLN, third SOPLN, closed bracket correct. Did you check? Okay. Next. Did you run Java name printer? Then JVM will go to name printer.java file. Their main method. First line, first line write SOP then executed. This is displayed. Second line, this is displayed. Third line, this is displayed. Have you written output in your notes? I'm asking question, not response. In your notes, have you written output? Huh? Really? I will now check your notes. I will check everyone notes. If you are lying, then I will definitely beat you. No doubt. The 4 fingers will come on your cheek. Lazy fellows. Run the program and display output. Exactly how I have worked out, you should also work same way. Work. You must compile, then verify any syntax mistakes you committed, then run and display output on console. Assume this line is what? Command prompt begin. Okay, now this is where message will be displayed here. This is the command prompt begin is nothing but your arrow mark start. Okay. Display output of your program. Java C name printer with stars dot Java. Then you have to go to that class and then there verify any syntax mistakes. I verify no syntax mistakes. Then compiler generates name printer with stars dot class. Okay. Then now I should execute. How to execute? Java name printer with the stars. Then now here output will be displaying. Display output. How many arrow marks will come? 3. Display output. Completed? Tell me, what is the output displayed? Star. Okay, now program will go to compiler software. JVM will come to here, this SOPL. Here the stars you have written will be displayed. Right? Then next line, Hare Krishna star will be displayed. Next, stars will be displayed. Right? This is the output you should get. Correct? 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 Brainless fellows. What I asked, what you displayed? Is your program displaying the output what I asked? You displayed Bahubali, Anushka and Baravas. 3 arrows. I asked you to display Hare Krishna these things with oval shape stars. What you are displaying? This is what you are displaying. Do you understand why I asked you to follow the procedure, lazy fellows? If you follow JVM process, then you will identify your program correctly written or not. You all people are feeling that I have written correct program. Correct program or Tumri program? Tumri and worst program. Wrong program. Understood, brother? What little bit you understand? Guys, did you understand why I told you behave like a compiler, behave like a JVM? Your program, what you are writing from your point of view, correct. But it is not really not correct from compiler, JVM and output point of view. Compiler point of view may be right. JVM point of view may be right. But output point of view may be wrong. That's what I am saying. Just writing program feeling, yeah, my work completed. It's not work done. That's what people who are caring about every pinpoint, they only can pass written test exam. Written test exam target is finding output, whatever you like, a correct output. Correct output, and you have to think like a JVM and you have to think like a compiler and display output. Is that output matching to the output what we asked? So tell me, your program, right program or wrong program? Wrong program. Wrong program written and confidently you sit saying that, yeah, completed. Yeah. Java C, name printer with stars. Java, name printers. Now look at that. Bahubali R marks are coming. So tell me, what is the solution? When you are writing program, you have to think your program displaying the asked output or not. There should be a space. Did you use space in your program? No. Then what to do? Now I have to give what here? Space. Every point you have to consider. Right. Then how many stars I should write here? As many characters as we have here. Don't randomly type star, 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 star. Okay. I didn't ask random stars. Then how many here space must be there? Here space must be there. Count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 stars I should write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Copy. Last space. Come on. Last space I should give, na? Array, these are all spaces only, Babu. Right side, all spaces only there. You no need to additionally give the space, okay? By default, spaces there at right side. Then here, same number of stars I should display here also. Everyone understand? Now, your program will be display output correctly. Now, JVM will display this output here. Okay, then JVM display this output here. Then JVM display this output here. Now you compare your output with the asked output. Both are matching or not? Yes. Then go to command prompt. First you say clear screen. Java C, name printer with stars. What is her name? I forgot. Geeta, did you understand what mistake you did? Your mistake only I did now. Okay. Now you scold me. Worst fellow, you don't know syntaxes. Java C, name printer with stars.java and then dot class. Look at that. Expected output coming or not? So hope you understand how to work like a compiler, JVM, and then just writing program and sitting not sufficient. The output coming from your program, is it exactly the output expected output or not? You have to compare. Okay. This is the complete 3 levels of working. Developer, type the program, then think like a compiler, syntax is right or not, then think like a JVM. Okay, na? Execution correctly going or not. Then write output coming from your program. Compare your output with the asked output. Both are same or not. These many points you have to work. Then only you'll be considered as perfect programmer. Clear? Right. Notes, when will you get? Netra bahut na ho raha class lo? Are you so raha hai? Sleeping are above in class? Nitin Paul? Next, program number 4. Jamana column back, I gave notes. Still you are asking for the notes. When did you join class? Develop a program. Already I shared. Why you didn't collect? Nitin, why didn't you collect? Already I shared material. What is the question? Develop a program. What thought running in your mind? Develop a program means what thought running in your mind? class name, open bracket, closed bracket, main method, open bracket, closed bracket, system dot out dot println. With message empty na? Empty. Now that empty should fill. To fill that empty, now the remaining question I should write. Understand? So repeating once again, whenever I say develop a program, your mind should visualize class, main method, system dot out dot println. All three essential statements must remember. Next point. Develop a program to print your name, or let's say Hari Krishna. Print a name in place of your name. Place I am writing a name. Print a name, Hari Krishna, in 2 lines as below. Input must be Hari Krishna. I want output must be Hari in 1 line, Krishna in next line. శుభం హుస్సేన్ ఏమీ అర్థం కాలేదు. ఏం అర్థం కాలేదు చెప్తే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. అవుట్పుట్ నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ లో ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి అని. ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని లైన్స్ ఉన్నాయా? అరే సద్దాం హుస్సేన్, యువర్ నేమ్ ఇస్ రియల్లీ సద్దాం హుస్సేన్? Already you are blocked in a group also, right? Yeah, you only Mr. Saddam Hussein. Is the name really Saddam Hussein? Okay. Are you there in HK Programming World Group? Go and access. Now answer here. First of all, answer here. How many lines are here? 3 lines. Then how many SOP lines must write? 3 SOP lines. Next. Here, this line starts with what? Space. Your eyes should work, that's it. Here space is there. How many stars are here written? Starting from here to here. Then how many stars are there? How to count? Count. How many characters are here? I am asking to write this star to cover this Hari, space Hari. That's its common sense. IT background students can write easily. Non-IT background students, are you writing Hari Krishna with 2 SOPLNs? Hari in 1 SOPLN, Krishna in another SOPLN? Hey, I didn't ask write a program to display output. I asked you to write a program for this input. That means how many SOPLNs? 1 SOPLN only. Seriously writing 2 SOPLNs? Input you have to write program for input to get output. You should write how many SOPLNs? 1 SOPLN. Notepad. Class. Now what do you write? Name in 2 lines. Open bracket, closed bracket. Public static. Void main of. String array args. Open bracket, closed bracket. System dot out dot println of. This is develop a program. What do you want to develop? Display Hari Krishna. Hari space Krishna. Now the question. This Hare Krishna, if I compile and run this program as it is, there are no syntax mistakes, there are no runtime errors, then program compiled, executed successfully, but will it give our desired output? Name in 2lines.java and then name in 2 lines, desired output not coming. Then if you want a desired output, something I should write. What is that something? In place of this space, I should write some special character called /n. Now /n is 2 characters or 1 character? Everyone should answer. /n is 2 characters or 1 character? 1 character. It is not 2. It is called escape sequence character. What we call? It is called escape sequence character. What is the purpose of this character? It is meant for representing new line. What a new line. Wherever this /n is found, from there onwards, next available all characters are moved to next line. If you want to insert one new line, I should use what? /n. Compile now. Execute. Look at there, Krishna moved to next line. So exactly you placed in the Krishna, that's why it is moved to Krishna onwards. If you place the /n either before or after, from there onwards it will move to the next line. So when you are writing a big text, while printing, if you wanted to move, you want to write complete text as a 1 line, but you want to display in multiple lines. In the middle of the text, from where you wanted to move the text to the next line, there you have to substitute what? /n. Can I use multiple /n's? Yes. Okay, you can use single /n or multiple /n, your wish. Now this /n is technically called what? Escape sequence character, new line representing character. Is it clear to all? Okay? Non-IT background students, did you get clarity on this /n? Okay, right up. If you have in that space, you write /n. Hope you all enjoyed these programs. Got some more grip on programming. IT background people, you know how to write a program, but you don't have common sense. Now IT background people are getting common sense how to write a program and how to act as a compiler, JVM and tester. Tester job is what? Your program giving output, expected output, both are same or not. You have to work like a tester also. That common sense I gave. Non-IT background students, slowly, now I am giving you more confidence on the program. Are you ready to write one more program? Right up. Last program. Program number 5. This not program, is the last program for today. Develop a program to print a name in the below steps pattern. Input is listen, HARI. What is this? HARI. Did you got common sense? How many lines? How many SOP lines? For a single line, in 1 line I will write. No, I written HARI in how many lines? 4 lines. What you people are doing? Khalifa? What is he doing? Okay, guys, I removed her. Okay, her, hemo, don't know. Good. Okay, next. And tell me, input, what is written? Hari. And then what is the output? I want you display output something like this. What is that? H. Steps pattern A, R, I. Try. I want 4 SOPLNs, you have to write. In the 4 SOPLNs, what you need to write like this. Try. Online, offline students, sorry, IT background students, you might have got already idea what to do. Yeah. Non-IT background students, you try. Yeah. Gayatri, we can use /n also, but that is basic program, na? People cannot understand. Adnan, ping me on Telegram app. I will check it out. People who are not having notes, please stay after end of the class. I will share the notes. Okay. Completed? What I ask you to write online RT background students, can you try? I am on to give you here what? Spaces. How to give spaces? There are two ways. You can use what? Space bar. But if you use space bar, you have to count equal number of spaces you have to give, na? Means if you want to get a steps order, equal number of spaces you have to give, you should count. Instead of counting the spaces, what you need to do simply, class, what do you write here? Name in, or you can say name pattern. Simply name pattern. Copy, paste, dot, Java. Then here what you write? Public, static, main of string array, open bracket, closed bracket. Here what you write? System dot out dot println of, what I should write here? H A R I. Okay. Now you can write like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, chiche. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like this you can mention. It's a dirty program. Okay. So in predefined, we have one special character like a /n, /t. And also we have to write /t/t. And here we write /t/t/t. Understood? Right. So what /t will do? T stands for what? Tab. On your keyboard you have tab, na? That tab space is nothing but /t. How many /t's I have written? 2. That means 2 tab spaces it will add. 3 tab spaces it will add. Let me go and compile it. Java C. Name pattern dot Java. Java name pattern. Look at that. Expected output coming or not? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So hope you got some idea on slash and slash t characters. In coming classes every day, I will use this slash and slash t. Tell me, like this escape sequence character slash and slash t, how many escape sequence characters Java supports? Okay, na? Right. There are totally 9 escape sequence characters are there. 9 plus 7. How much? 9 plus 8. 17 plus 1. 18. Totally 18 escape sequence characters are there in Java. Those escape sequence characters and their respective programs we are learning in tomorrow class. Is it clear to all? Tomorrow, no holiday. Tomorrow we are all meeting where? Online. Okay, na? Already link I have shared. Okay. So now please try to join tomorrow. Tomorrow class is very important. Coming classes daily I will use tomorrow class points. So tomorrow we are completing the last topic, escape sequence characters and test cases. Okay, now? Right. So Monday onwards we'll start new topic, Java programming completed. Then Monday onwards we are going to start, object oriented programming. Do you remember object oriented programming basics? Like we have 8 programming elements. 8 programming elements meant for bringing real world object into programming world by storing its data, by implementing its operations. So to enter it into object oriented programming, we are going to start learning first with what? Methods. Then following by variables. Then following by class. Then types of variables, types of methods, types of classes, like that. So next Monday onwards, we are entering into object oriented programming. Thank you. That's all for today class. If you have any questions, you stay. All people collected a link? Tomorrow class, Zoom link? Thank you. Leave. Yeah, online students who don't have material access, contact your class admin. He will share you. Yeah, Kiran Kumar, I'll show you on Monday. Tomorrow. Same. Tomorrow meeting code is same. No change. People who are blocked in a Telegram group, please ping me on my mobile Telegram app. I will check it out and add you. Krishna Patel.